Hey Peter, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about Peets Express restoration. But before we get into that, I do want to point out the three different ways on how you could be found on Google. So with that, let's get started. So just to say we type in water damage restoration in Sacramento. One of the three ways on how you can be found is the sponsoreds up here, and if you do pay for ads, you will show up here. Now, the second way on how you can be found is your Google Business Profile, which is one of these three slots here. 30% of your business would be acquired through here. And in order to land your business up here, you would need to master the citations and optimize your Google Business Profile. It's basically what ServPro is doing up here. Now the third and final way on how you can be found is the organic section. You have Yelp, ATI Restoration, and Angie. Now these are the three top positions. 70% of your customers will find you. Yelp has the top slot in Sacramento. So in order to beat them, it's very simple. All you got to do is target this service area. Yelp is targeting at a national level, so that is why they are right here. And ATI Restoration is targeting this area, but have not fully targeted it. So with that, in a nutshell, these are the three different ways on how you can be found on Google. Now let's take a quick look at Peets Express Restoration website. I really do love how you did your logo up here in the top left. You have an employee working here, unless that's you. But you do have a callback number, or excuse me, a call now number. Looks like it's click to call. You have a home about, contact information. You do have, oh, it looks like you do have a keyword embedded in your content. You do have nice photos here of what you do. I really like on how the layout of your website is, but one thing that Google really loves is content. Content is king as far as ranking websites. So in order to optimize this, you would need at least about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content just on your homepage alone. Now let's take a quick look at your competitor, ATI Restoration. Excuse me. Let's see how much content they have. They have probably about 500 words of content right now. So in order to beat these guys, you just basically have to do the 1,500 to at least 2,000 words of content. So that way that we set you up for success in the beginning. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much what content looks like and what Google sees websites as far as ranking and everything goes. So with that, let's go on to the next thing I'd like to discuss. So there's this tool, it's called Ahrefs. I typed in Peets Express Restoration, and this basically shows a bird's eye view of how Google looks at your website. Now, right here is the strength of your website, and this right here is the trust that Google has for your website. Now, in my opinion, if you do invest in your business, you need to have your investments work for you. So with that, you are getting 0 traffic. You have 15 keywords going to your website at this time, but you are pulling no traffic. So it's kind of take a quick look at what your competitor's doing. So ATI Restoration, they have a 47 strength rating, 25 trust rating. They are pulling in a whopping 7.2K traffic with everything that they are using. Now we have access to keywords and everything that they are using. So in a nutshell, I mean, basically we would have to do what they are doing in content, backlinks, and keywords in order to get to this position where they are currently at right here. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much all I have for you. I hope that this information was useful to you. Let's do a quick recap. 3 ways on how you can be found. Up here is your sponsored, the ads. It's one way. Your Google Business Profile, optimization, citations, and it'll land you here. We just got to do what ServPro is doing and then some. 3rd way, Yelp, ATI Restoration, and Angie hold the 3 top slots, which we call the organic section, and we want to beef up. You could either beef up your existing website or you could build a whole new one, whatever you see fit. But if you happen to need a guide to help guide you in this direction, please feel free to call me. My name is Joshua. My number is 505-331-7995, or you can reach me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. With that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Hope to hear from you soon. And thank you so much. Bye-bye now.